dear students, today I will discuss with you motivation process. And before starting the process, I will discuss with you a few interrelated terms to motivation. So be focused. Be focused and understand the topic. So the first term is motive. What is the meaning of motive? A motive is an inner state or desire or urge which compels and activates an individual. So motive is an inner state or any desire which compels a person, which makes the person activate to behave towards accomplishment of objectives. That inner state, that desire compel the person to behave in the direction of achievement of objectives. For example, a person is feeling hungry, then he will be needed some food. So here, need of food will be considered his inner state or desire, and for the fulfillment of his need of food, he will work something, and by working he will earn, so that he can fulfill his inner desire of food. So, need of food will be considered as his motive that compel him to earn something and fulfill his motive. Next is motivators. What are motivators? Motivators are the techniques which are used to motivate people in an organization. So motivators are the techniques. For example, different managers uses different type of techniques to motivate the employees. Like they gives bonus to employees, give them good increments, promotion, recognition, praise, so that they can give their best and can work for the fulfillment of organization objectives. So with the help of motivators, managers try to motivate the employees. So, and you people are very much clear what do you mean by motivation? Motivation is the process of stimulating others, encouraging others to work for the achievement of organization objective. Now I will discuss with you motivation process. Very simple process it is. Firstly, there is unsatisfied need. Motivation process begins when a person is having any unsatisfied need. That unsatisfied need gives tension or anxiety to the person. And that tension and anxiety creates drive, urge, inner desire, and that person start looking for different alternatives for the fulfillment of his drive. Drive means need or inner desire, and he will search different alternatives, and the alternative which he find best, he will implement the alternative and will satisfy his needs. So once his need is satisfied, he will feel motivated and his tension will remove. But students, motivation is not a one time process. It is a continuous process because person have unlimited needs. If one need is satisfied, then one tension is removed, but with the satisfaction of one need, some another need come, and he start working for the fulfillment of the next need, and he will follow same motivation process. In this way, this process is a continuous process and it keep on moving till the satisfaction of all needs of the human being. So here this topic is over. Thank you students.